Welcome to my podcast, Kasia Dorosz, Active 50 TV. Today the topic, how to get back up after failing and rebuild your strength. Everyone falls sometimes. You lose a job, experience, a breakup, illness, business failure. The most important thing isn't that you fall, but how you get back up. Often after failing, we lose faith in yourselves. We feel shame, disappointment, anger, sadness. These are natural emotions you need to feel. But you can stay there. Allow yourself to feel the pain. Then decide this doesn't the end of your story. It's just a chapter. Ask yourself, what did this teach me? Or how can I act differently now? Instead of building a wall, build a bridge to your new life. The greatest strength is born in places where you thought you had no strength left to stand. That's where your mental resilience and deep wisdom are forget. Wisdom you can share with others. And my two questions to you. First, what is one action you can take today to get back up after your last fail? And second, what good might come from this difficult situation in the future? I wish you the best day and smile today.